ka jingduk ka jingkyrduh bam bat ka jingbom biang ki jaka shong ki jaka sa ki de ki jingshah yu roit ki khraw ya ka hok ki paidbah ha ki babon ki benta jong kari india bat ka long ka badon kam ban phai khmat ha ka bai de bat kini ka benta khnang ba ki brio kin long markat jo ya ka ni lapun pau do justice sanjeev banerjee bodi chief justice ka meghalaya high court habakren kum kongsan ha ka jingrakhi ya ka international human rights di arjar arpuai ya ka bala pun long da ka meghalaya human rights commission ya ka bala jurukhi manausna ha ka spotrek braino pra kumma lapun bana da ka general assembly jong United Nations Organization House nam sya jakhnai spa sapupra nakaliang jong justice w do judge ka meghalaya high court habakran hagadi ka jelang ulong ba ka phangpreng jong ka jingrakhi yakani ka international human rights day arhajar arpuai ka de ka jerangkat bat ubalakran ru halo ka jinge ba ki paidbah kima na ka jingdan ka jingkhangdam na ka khlam covid-19 bat kumju ru ya ka jinge ba ki paidbah ki yakando u chairperson ka meghalaya human rights commission justice t vaifei ulai thu bahag babon kiri jong ka parthei ki yakando ya ka jinge ka de na ka jingdan jong ki kam kai khlaw bat shibun ki jingshah panyap ki sipai ki bai khun persya i kampan trim ki jongki u justice sanjeev banerjee ulong ba ubriu unumla ban im tang dau kupu marwei henry ubriu udon sibun nak benta bun im kumta don kam ban phai khmat hai babon kiliang bat khamtam ha kaliang jong ka koi khya.
We in India are committed to human rights in addition to the fundamental rights recognized in part 3 of the Constitution, which was framed contemporaneously as the Universal Declaration came about. We have part 4, the directive principles. It is like the manifesto of a nation and has to guide how we are governed and the path that we chart out for ourselves. The role of the judiciary is also important when it comes to safeguarding the individual's right to dignity and liberty. It not only protects but also interprets the scope of fundamental rights, and therefore constitutional courts not only protect human rights but discover rights as life moves along. There have been widespread interventions by the judiciary in areas where no law existed. Visakha, for instance, the protection of women